everybody, this is Dan for GemmyD on Cars. I am here at Porsche Mechanicsburg on the Carlisle Pike in Mechanicsburg, PA. Just did a video of this. This is a 2019 Maserati GranTurismo convertible sport. This thing has a big, naturally aspirated V8, so let's take it for a drive. Let's do it. We will get out our twisty key. Boom. Let's hear this big V8. All right, let's go. All right, so we're off in the GranTurismo. Got the sun through my hair. This thing is just different. The gas pedal is so heavy, and the steering is very heavy, but it feels so nice. I don't think I've ever experienced such a heavy gas pedal. I mean, you really have to stomp on it. This thing just sounds fantastic. With the top down, you can really hear how fantastic it sounds. The Alcantara everywhere feels very nice. Lots of traffic here on a Friday. I hope you can hear that because that just sounds so good. Now, like I said in my previous video, I don't really see these around at all, especially definitely not a convertible version. These Maseratis have been around for a while. It's definitely showing its age. Now, Maserati just came out with the MC20, the sort of 6-cylinder supercar. That's definitely way different than this car in just about every way. That's a mid-engine. This is a front-engine V8. That's a mid-engine V6. Yeah, this just feels fantastic. Now, this is under $100,000 now. They just lowered the price at Porsche Mechanicsburg. It's about $99,000. It was $102,000. Can't beat an Italian convertible, I'll just say that. Now there is a sport mode, which I'm not going to put it in just yet. I just want to feel the sort of most basic settings of this car. But yeah, I don't know who the buyer for this car would be. Somebody who's maybe gone through some 911s or Corvettes or Jaguar F-Types. But yeah, this looks fantastic. It sounds great. It's definitely not cheap, but that's just not what you're going to get for a open top Grand Tourer. And this is quite literally a Grand Tourer. GranTurismo means Grand Tourer. Yeah, I don't know when. I guess the last convertible I drove was that LC convertible too. Yeah, that car actually has quite a bit in common with this car. A big naturally aspirated V8. Both very rare, very special in their own way. Yeah, this is nice. All right, we're coming up to the spot where we're gonna get on it a little bit. Now this is perfectly comfortable. These seats with like the Alcantara inserts really like grips you. Oh, there's a bus ahead of me. Yeah, it feels comfortable, but I just can't get over the sound. It just sounds so good. You cannot beat an Italian V8, especially with the open top experience. All right, I hope this bus is far enough away from me so I can just have some fun, a little bit of fun. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, sounds good, feels good. Very heavy steering, which I kind of like. Where's this bus? Gotta get this bus away from us. Oh yeah, open road, baby. Oh yes, that's a thing of beauty. A big Italian naturally aspirated V8. All right, let's got a little bit of space. Let's open her up. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh. Yep. I like that. Yep. Not at a loss for words. It's a beautiful GT car that is very fast. I mean, this will go to 0-60 in a little bit over 4 seconds. I mean, that is pretty damn fast still. I can't think of any negatives other than the price, and I don't know how the service would be on a Maserati. But yeah, everything is so heavy. The gas pedal is so firm. There we go. Nice little roll onto it. a good day. Open top experience, wind blowing through my hair, and naturally aspirated V8. I mean, give me a nice cold drink when I am done driving this, and this is just about a perfect day. Here's how to have a perfect day. Drive a convertible Italian on a beautiful weather day. Yeah, Italians surely know how to do it right. Just listen. And that's like 45 miles an hour right there. It still just wants to go. Now the handling is not like razor sharp. I mean, the steering is just so heavy, like I said many times. It still feels good and sporty. It's just not gonna rip your socks off like a Cayman or something. But that sound. Oh, it's a good day. It's a good day to be a car guy. Yeah, the visibility is still pretty decent. Nice big mirrors. You can see out the back pretty well. If you've got about $100,000 burning a hole in your pocket, I don't think you can do much better than this. Maserati is definitely coming back. I know they're going to have an electric SUV, and they do have the mid-engine MC20, like I just mentioned. But yeah, this thing is quite a swan song for like the naturally aspirated V8. I mean, this is quite a car. I mean, not everybody needs like 650 horsepower, but a car that sounds good, has decent power, I mean, you can't do much better than that. All right, once we get past this road up here, we're gonna give her the beans a little bit. Let's just roll onto it. Oh yeah. You know what? I'm not even in sport mode. Oh, that's even better. Just listen to the sounds of nature and an open top V8. One more time. Now you see this on my face? This is a smile. That's what this car will do for you. And I almost forgot about the sport mode. I'm glad that I didn't, but it really just amplified the decibels a little bit more, felt a little bit more stiff, but it just is so intoxicating to press on that gas pedal. This is a great car. I mean, this is a lot of car. You know, somebody like me who I am not in the market for a car like this, like I said before, I don't need like 700 horsepower and like razor sharp anything. This would be perfectly fine as like a daily GT. I mean, another GT that looks like this. I mean, come on. Just listen. All right, just put the top up, give my forehead a little rest from the sun. But man, this is an awesome car. Sound, check. Looks, check. Italian naturally aspirated V8, check. This thing has a lot going for it. It is not cheap. It is now on sale for $99,000 here at Porsche Mechanicsburg. Big thank you to them for giving me access to this bad boy here. Now, I have plans to do another car here today, so I'll keep you posted on that. But yeah, this is a fantastic car inside and out. It may be showing its age, but it's still a track star. This thing is fast, and I don't have any complaints other than just the infotainment might be a little bit dated. But if you're in the market for a car like this fits the bill for all the things that I listed earlier. It's fast, it looks great. This is quite a car. Now, if you like car reviews like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to check out Porsche Mechanicsburg. I will put their link right here. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.